So I thought to do this short video of it's about these three trees. Like there's a dead one in front of it. But if you're gonna paint something like this, if it's composed like this, they're equally spaced out. So that's a problem. What you need to do is bring one in closer, maybe introduce another one, something growing up. You gotta break up this equal pattern basically, because anything in painting, at least not in, I mean, if it's a garden it looks good, but it's too symmetrical. It's a little bit boring to the eye. There's no rhythm, so you can see how they're equally spaced out. I'll probably maybe bring this one in closer in there. This one is a better grouping right here. See how they're in between these. There's a larger space and then small space in between these two. Sorry, my finger's getting in the way. And also this one is a better grouping right there too. I'm just kind of turning around the forest here. This is a better grouping also. Although you gotta be careful with this right here in between. Yeah, just something to keep an eye on as you're painting. Even though it looks cool, it doesn't mean it's gonna look good in a painting.